Welcome back to the channel Turbo India. And today we're talking about a true American icon reborn for modern road trips. The 2026 GMC Savana Explorer conversion van, a luxury revival of America's classic highway cruiser. If you love long drives, family adventures, or rolling down Route 66 in comfort and style, this van is built exactly for that dream. From the outside, the 2026 Savana Explorer keeps that bold, boxy American van stance but upgrades it with a premium touch. The wide chrome grille, LED headlamps, and muscular front fascia give it a confident road presence. Large alloy wheels, subtle chrome accents, and a high roofline instantly tell you this isn't a regular cargo van, it's a luxury road trip machine. Whether it's parked at a motel or cruising on the interstate, the Savana Explorer looks solid, premium, and unmistakably American. Step inside, and this is where the Explorer conversion truly shines. The cabin feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle. Plush leather captain seats, soft-touch panels, wood-style trims, and ambient lighting create a relaxed, high-end atmosphere. The famous Starlight-style ceiling adds a luxury vibe, especially during night drives. Rear passengers get reclining seats, fold-out tables, cup holders, and plenty of legroom, making long journeys feel effortless. Advanced infotainment screens, premium sound system, multiple charging ports, and climate control zones ensure everyone stays comfortable and entertained for hours on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer is all about smooth, reliable power. It typically comes with a strong V8 engine option that delivers excellent highway performance, perfect for cruising at steady speeds with a fully loaded cabin. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and rough patches with ease. This van isn't built for racing, it's built for relaxed, confident long-distance travel. Exactly how a road trip van should be. When it comes to driving, the high seating position gives great visibility, and despite its size, the Savana feels stable and planted on highways. Long wheelbase and solid chassis make it ideal for cross-country travel, family vacations, or even luxury shuttle use. Now let's talk about pricing. In the United States, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer conversion van usually starts around $85,000 and can go well above $100,000, depending on customization, interior packages, entertainment systems, and luxury upgrades. It's not cheap, but you're paying for handcrafted conversion quality, premium comfort, and a true luxury travel experience. Overall, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer conversion. Fun is perfect for those who believe the journey matters just as much as the destination. It blends classic American road trip spirit with modern luxury, comfort, and power. If you want a van that turns every drive into a first-class experience, this one truly delivers.